Want to delete all your reposted videos on Instagram at once? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to remove all reposts from your Instagram account, step by step. First, open the Instagram app and go to your profile page. Here, tap on the three lines at the top right corner to open the menu, then select Your Activity. Now scroll and tap on Reposts. You will now see all your reposted reels and photos in one place. To delete them, tap on Select, then manually choose the reposts you want to remove. Currently, Instagram does not offer a Select All option, so you'll need to select them one by one. Once selected, tap on Delete and confirm your action. All your reposted videos and photos will be removed from your profile immediately, helping you keep your account clean and more organized. If you don't see this option, make sure your Instagram app is updated, as features may vary depending on your version or region. And that's how to delete all Instagram reposts. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tutorials.